and my sisters are going to the beach. It's a beach day. We decided to go have fun, go chill, and do what girls normally do.
Like rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say. Yeah, I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
You guys
I
look
won't
beachy.
stop till I hear him say.
Look like beach people.
And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Welcome to Landmark Beach, my people. Hello.
Are we there yet? Yeah. It's a beach affairs, baby.
The weather is not even doing us justice.
Baby, it's the way you play your game, but it's so good. I've never known anybody like you, but it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you, and I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. And I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I wanna feel deep down tonight, wishing on everyone that
Check the time and the light. Hello, I'm the biggest and oldest cousin among them. All of them. And if you know all of them. So we are having fun, and I am the biggest baby of the house. Yes, and yeah, it's a bucket.
music make me feel like each other. Understand what they say about.
You think I know how to talk? You've not met my beautiful. Oh yeah, she is the best commentator ever. Do you want an event anchor? Somebody's hyping the one.
Oh my God.
You understand?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. An ex-best dancer. So I love that song. So when you come of age, you have it, you don't do any have it, you always have it. But you listen. So we're having fun, baby. We're having fun, guys. Thank you so much. Nice, and lovely weather. It's so cold. Yeah, you can go. We're having fun. And then Miss Chimamanda. Hi. So sweet. So beautiful. Now look at her mom. She has a black yash.
sure that you are that level of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, pushing on everyone you.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart.
We are done with the beach. We are going home. We are headed home. Okay, hi.
You relieve. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Yummy! We're back with our pizza. Pizza time. Me, I don't really eat pizza, you know. Like, where is shawarma? Which one is shawarma pizza? No, wait, which one is shawarma pizza? Which one? No, it's that shawarma that is sweet. No, that shawarma is sweet. Shawarma now. Oh, why are you watching that? No, it's my own that extra. And you took the other one now. The other one. How many did I? Me, I ate one. Same thing, two. Me too. 1, 2, 3. That is very better. Which one? Which one now? The sugar. That one went in there. Shawarma pizza. This one is not nice. Which product? Which one is this one? I didn't bring it to be green. No nice. I like one. I like them. You cannot wait to do something. Oh, shawarma is nice. Shawarma is the best. I love shawarma. I love shawarma. You know they go fat. I'm not tired. You know they go fat. People here like complain that they are fat. I'm not fat though. They gulped this thing and they're not scrambling for it. I thought everybody will do shakara and eat just for one and go. Don't mind you. Everything is in 200. They chop shawarma and they abandon me. Everybody will eat. I put one beside the fish. To happiness, to success in all we do, to more love, to unity, and to happiness. Amen.
Auntie, hello,
look at me.